Boys and girls, yes, you are just like me, have a 5-year-old kid inside wants to come out and play. And today we're going to do something fun. We're going to play 5 animals. Yes, 5 animals. The first one is tiger, okay? Relax your body, relax your mind, keep your head suspended. Yes, good. And now, first we do 3 times of the sinking the qi, which you're very familiar with. Okay, ready, go. Inhale and exhale. Good. See, you did not forget anything. Inhale up, exhale down. One more time. Inhale up and exhale down. Now turn your hands and pull up and keep pulling and hands together. Look up and bring the hands, turn the hands, become fist again, gentle fist, and bring it down. And once you pass your shoulder and then pressing down. Once again, bring it up. Keep going and press up and turn. Bring it down. Inhale. Exhale. Good. That's tiger. Let's do deer. Deer is really, really fun. And you swing your both fists and step your left foot out. And now look at my hands. You bend 2 middle fingers and you turn and shift your way to the front. This is like the deer antlers. And you relax, make fist, and now step your right foot out, the antlers hands again. Good. Let's do one more set. Circle, good. Left foot out, shift way to left. Good. Circle, right foot out. Are you having fun? I thought it was interesting. Next one is bear. How does bear do? Okay, we do the claws, and now we circle around our body, and then go the other direction. Oh, feels so good, right? And down. Now we're going to be playful and play monkey. Yes, that's right, and play monkey. How does monkey do? And then you first, like you're doing tiger, and turn, twist your wrist. You pull it up and keep pulling and raise up your shoulders like the playful monkey. Then you look at your left shoulder and look over your right shoulder. And you put it down. Hold it up. Of course, if you want to look at right first, and look at left, and no big deal. Okay, this is like monkey does something wrong, so head down. And the final one is crane. So you're flying, and one more time. Now you raise your legs even higher and put it down. Shift way to your left, flying your right leg up. And now really high if you want to, and put it down. Good. And now we finish.